To buy Bitcoin using Crypto.com. Start by creating an account on the Crypto.com website or by downloading the Crypto.com app. Once you have created your account, verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Crypto.com. Next, complete the Know Your Customer process by providing the required identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address, such as a utility bill. This step is necessary to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to ensure the security of your account. After your account has been verified, deposit funds into your Crypto.com account using a payment method such as a credit or debit card or a bank transfer. The payment methods available may vary depending on your location, so be sure to check the Crypto.com website for the options available in your area. Once you have deposited funds into your account, navigate to the Buy Cryptocurrency section of the Crypto.com platform. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can choose to buy Bitcoin using a fixed amount of fiat currency, or you can specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount of Bitcoin you are buying, the price per Bitcoin, and any fees associated with the transaction. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction and the Bitcoin will be added to your Crypto.com wallet. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin is a high-risk, high-reward investment, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your Crypto.com account and wallet secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily buy Bitcoin using Crypto.com. Remember to always do your own research, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.